Ladies and gentlemen, bhai और बहनों, this is your favorite rice bag speaking to you live from Thailand. आज की ताज़ा खबर. Today's ताज़ा खबर is an Indian passenger. What's his name? Tushar. Tushar Masand. मतलब हिंदू और Indian Hindu. What did he do? Indian Hindu passenger allegedly urinated. Mutram. Susu. It's called susu. Okay. Susu. Psst, watering. Like watering the flowers, watering people, showering them with blessings. The same thing what you do in Kumbh Mela. Psst, you do it on the streets of India. Psst. So, Tushar Masand thought, chalo, we do it in Kumbh Mela and then have nice shower and we drink that water. And then we do it on the road, we do it in the railway. Chalo yaar, Air India, हमारा एयरलाइन, इंडिया हमारी देश, ये प्लेन हमारा, चल इधर भी सुसु करेंगे. So he made some susu. Okay. Only problem was the susu, जो सुसु उसने किया, he did it on his co-passenger. वो टॉयलेट में नहीं किया, सीट में नहीं किया. He wanted to share the blessings, like Gaumutra. When the cow gives urine, you drink that, and you eat the cow dung for healing COVID, making your immunity strong. Even the baby of the cow does not drink the urine and eat the cow dung, the fecal matter of the cow, its own mother. Cow does not, the calf does not have. But our Indian Hindus, they have. Wow. क्या common sense है. And they say, this is my mata. ये हमारी माता, my mother, this cow, मतलब, my mother is a cow. But they leave the cow on the road, they'll not take the cow home. Cow will be on the road only, but this is my mata. Okay. Like, I saw one Instagram video where they said, cow is your mata, goat is my pita, and chicken is my bibi, and some other animal is my grandfather. So you can't eat that, just as I can't eat your mata, you can't eat my pita. So in that case, everyone becomes vegetarian. That is good, no? Yes. So our Indian passenger, who maybe had too much urine inside, he decided to urinate, sprinkle the blessings on co-passengers. वही problem था. In Air India flight Delhi to Bangkok, Thailand, मतलब इधर, that also yesterday. At first I thought this was bullshit news. I thought people were just trolling me. But our Indians are fantastic, mind-blasting. Indian Hindus, they have this obsession with susu. Cow susu, their susu, his susu, sabka susu, Kumbh Mela mein susu, road pe susu. Abhi, high fly susu. Okay, the flight was AI 2336. The accused passenger, Mr. Tushar Masand, the 24-year-old, जिसने सुसु की, maybe he has a bike also which is Suzuki. So he was little drunk. So when little drunk, it is normal to susu. Just thankfully he didn't make kaka. Kaka is not my uncle or something. Kaka is, that floating poo-poo. Okay. So the person who he gave the showers of blessings was Mr. Hiroshi Yoshizane, a Japanese national. Ujikawa. Yes. And managing director of Bridgestone India. Sir, Japan say India. Poor fellow. After getting this, I think he resigned from his position only. He was in seat 1D Masand was, Tushar Masand, our Indian Hindu, was in 2D. Matlab, piche. Maybe he was behind. Or maybe it was the same. I don't know. Okay. Maybe it's the same lane. 1D, 2D, 3D. Okay. The incident occurred during the descent of the flight. Maybe when descending, the Susu comes up. Or in his case, Susu went down. His excuse was he drank 2 glasses of single malt. ये malt क्या होता है? I don't know, because I don't drink alcohol. Okay. So he drank 2 glasses of malt and चलो बहुत ऊपर गया. So the passenger next to the victim, 1F, DEF. Shouldn't it be behind? Okay, 1F. Maybe it's like this, 1DEF, like that. Okay. So the passenger next to him was Matthew. Christian. He also complained about being affected and requested Masand to be moved. See, what a nice, our Indian Hindu brothers, they share the urine with everyone. Yeah. Who told you that they are kanjusi? Yep. He was giving everyone. Okay. So Air India, the number 1 airline in the world, they confirmed that this was unruly passenger behavior. Stated the crews had laid down all the procedures. Maybe you should put pampers for our Indian Hindu passengers. Give them malt and put pamper, or put pamper and then give them malt. Warned the unruly passenger, offered to assist the victim to fill a grievance with the authorities in Bangkok. The guy declined it, and I'll tell you why. Relocated Tushar Masand to seat 14C after the victim's neighbor refused to sit. Yeah, of course, you susu on me. Am I going to sit next to you? I smell of your susu. The malt. They put Tushar on 30-day no-fly list. So, if you put him on no-flight list, you think it'll affect him? That's the worst punishment you can think of? Okay. They will convene a standing independent committee to assess the incident and determine further action. What you'll do? Cut his nunu? Or you'll plaster his nunu? Or tell him to put the susu on himself? They reported the matter to Directorate General of Civil Aviation, DGCA. Arey Baba, you should have put his photo for everyone to see. वो अच्छा रहेगा. Okay. Victim's reaction. Hiroshi Yozizani Hoshika declined to file a formal complaint in Bangkok, stating he didn't want to waste time. Yeah, because he has better things to do in life than to deal with our Indian Hindus who make susu. He was assisted by the crew with the cleanup and change of clothes. He's a managing director. He can afford clothes. Government response. The Civil Aviation Minister said that the ministry has taken note of the incident and will speak to the airline. If any wrongdoing was found, necessary action will be taken. Okay. Chalo. At least that. By the way, this is not the first time our Indian Hindu made susu. Before this also, another person made susu. And guess which nationality it was? Come on, can you guess? Yes, once again, it was an Indian who made susu. On November 2022 from New York, foreign country, Western, New York to Delhi. That also, once again, Air India, same airline. Guess the airline? Same airline. And guess which background? Was it an Indian Christian? No. Was it an Indian Muslim? No. Once again, it was our Indian Hindu, and his name was Shankar Mishra. Talia. This Gaumutra and human Mutra, our Indian Hindus are fantastic. Kya advanced level hai. So, our Shankar Mishra, he urinated on an elderly woman, that also on business class. Dekho, thoda standard hona chahiye yaar. You can't just go economy class. You go to business class and you make susu. The only thing left is first class and make susu. And that also in Air India. Only in Air India. Don't do it in any other aircraft. So Shankar Mishra, he was arrested, fired from his job at Wells Fargo. Bahut acha. Now he must have joined some Indian company. Air India faced criticism for its delayed response and handling of the incident, which is normal. Our Air India is always air in India. Okay, by the way, it smells of armpits and sweaty ball sack. You should go sometimes, to the gym and all that. And then that is how, when you enter Air India, that's how it smells. I have a video where I traveled with Air India the first and last time. And I give detailed explanation. You can just type Loy Macedo Air India. You'll hear my experience. From the auntie who was the cabin crew, the tires and the sweaty armpits, to the passengers who are smelling like ball sack. Phew. All the block nose, everything got healed. All the virus, bacteria, everything died. Okay. So the DCGA issued notice to the flight officials and crew for not following protocols. Arey, nothing new, yaar. Our Indian Air India Airlines is known for that. Bunkers protocol, they'll say, hell with it. We'll follow our own proto and call. Okay, Air India derostered some crew members and promised a better reporting system. Arey, our standards are very low. Don't make it so high, yaar. Shankar Mishra was initially banned by Air India for 30 days. Again, 30 days. So everyone, if you want to be banned by Air India, just make susu in the aircraft. Bahut acha hai. So here's a funny thing which you should know. This is not a first time incident. Our Indians are very famous for these susu habits. It seems some of the great achievements of our Indians, by the way, I've made a list. It seems Indians are very famous for one, overconsumption of alcohol on flights. They demand free alcohol and they get drunk. Other things are, they tend to have very, very bad behavior. I'm giving you as per reports. This is not from my pocket. Very, very bad behavior. They do not respect people's spaces. They do not follow protocol. In fact, they don't even listen to rules. When the flight lands, Indians are the first to stand up. Means the flight is just landed. Doors are not open. Nothing is open. But they must be thinking you are traveling by, train or BST bus or rickshaw. They stand up. Why? Oh, I have to save time here. I have to save time. If I rush outside and I can come in front of one passenger, I've saved how much time? So they'll stand up. And they all stink and they smell. And they'll take their bags and they stand up. They'll not sit down. They have to stand. Some other achievements of our Indians: getting into physical fights, fighting and shouting with the cabin crew, insulting the cabin crew, taking the wrong seats, trying to steal luggage. Okay. Demanding free service. Our Indians are advanced level. There has been very common instances of Indian passengers, after excessively drinking, leading to loud arguments, inappropriate behavior, profanity, and refusal to follow crew instructions. Very good. Jai Hind. Yeah, India. This is number one. Indians are also known for smoking on board the aircraft, in the lavatories, triggering alarm, and causing safety concerns. They have also had complaints with Indians about minor altercations because they are not able to recline their seats far enough, or they complain when someone reclines their seats on them. And sometimes they recline when a passenger is having food. That time they recline so the food falls on the other passengers. Very good. Indians are known to bring prohibited items into aircrafts, sometimes leading to delays and security concerns. By the way, one Indian was caught stealing in Singapore airport. There also. They are known to be very rude, crass, and abusive towards the crew, being very disrespectful, using very offensive language, and being very uncooperative with the cabin crew because they think they're paid money, so you can treat others like shit. Yeah. That is the Indian mentality. Chal, I paid for this seat. I owe this whole aircraft. You know who I am? मालूम है मैं कौन हूँ? By the way, Indians are also known to. There was this lady in USA. She tried to open the aircraft door because she got angry of some seat or someone looked at her. She wanted to open the aircraft mid-air. Indians also demand. I'm giving you a report. Indians also demand. They want special upgrades, special treatments, freebies, and they want to be upgraded from economy to business or to first class. Jai Hind, Jai Hind. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Acha. There is a tendency to use oversized luggage, carry excessive amount of luggage, storing heavy luggage in the overhead bins, causing inconvenience for others, and even pushing other people's luggage out to put theirs. Indian passengers disregard safety briefing, do not fasten their seat belts, and try to make mobile calls even when they are asked not to do so. Very common for our Indians. Indians are also known to vandalize and damage aircraft property and also steal other items from the aircraft which they are not allowed to do so. India, number one India. Okay. And in many instances, Indian passengers have been reported to film, photograph other passengers and crew without their permission, causing extreme discomfort. Yes. जय हिंद. ये हमारा इंडिया है, हमारी देश, हमारा कल्चर, हमारी ट्रेडिशन. जय हिंद, जय हिंद. So, ladies and gentlemen, once again, our Indian Hindus do fantastic, mind-blasting stuff. Nothing surprising here. This is our Susu Kaka, normal stuff. Susu Kaka. And we'll do it always in Air India. Because Air India is also a Susu Kaka airline. After all, India. I'm Indian. Aircraft is Indian. चलो हम लोग Indian काम करेंगे. Okay? So, thank you very much once again, my Indian Hindus, for giving me some more content. Please continue so that I can educate and share the wonderful Indian culture, Indian tradition, and Hamara Indian style. Hamara Desh, India number one, superpower, 5 trillion economy, 5 trillion. अच्छे दिन आएंगे पर पहले हम लोग सुसु करेंगे. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you another great achievement. Fly Air India and keep having susu. Okay? Comment down below and let me know your thoughts. This is me, your rice bag, saying namaste, goodbye, and chalo, I have to go make susu now. Okay? Bye.